Good morning everyone, today is Saturday because I don't know what day into our holiday it is but today we're at Typhoon Lagoon.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me.
It's literally 12 o'clock, we've had such a late morning because we couldn't get into our safe, so we had to wait for like the maintenance person to come up and open it for us, and he took ages, so we're finally here. We're just gonna go get some lockers and then we're just going straight in the water, aren't we? I'm quite hungry though, are you? You're not?
I had cookies in it, didn't I?
Yeah, I haven't had anything to eat yet. We are gonna go and get in pretty much. We're at the lockers now, so I'm gonna put some sun cream on it, but I'm gonna have to pop you away, so I will go onto my phone so that I can record on there. Callum's other favourite apart from Baymax. Very excited. So Callum's just currently getting his food from Typhoon Tilly's, but I've already got mine, so I went and got a pizza, some french fries and these crush cups. I love him, sorry I've got hiccups, but I love him so much. I think he's so cool, and this bit's like rubber as well. He was $11.99, so a little bit pricey, but he's so cute. I literally love him. So I think Callum's gonna get one too. So now I've got him and Mike, so yeah. So all of my food and my drink came to $25, which I know is a bit excessive, but that was with tax. That was with tax and everything. So yeah, but I'm so excited, and this looks amazing. This looks like the best pizza I'm gonna eat. My crush was it was broken there. It had a big slit across its neck, like it was like ripped.
Back of his neck.
Yeah, so yeah, that sounds a bit bad, doesn't it? So yeah, so I've just took it to Typhoon Tilly's. I didn't even get my food from here. This is where Callum got his food from. And they just replaced it for free and didn't even say anything. And they've refilled it with Fanta, haven't they? So that's good. Callum looks like he's not ate anything. I just didn't film, so I'm FaceTime to my mum. He got fish and chips from there, and it was really good. I still haven't finished in the time he's ate all his food. So, what's it like?
Fanta.
You're meant to be excited, it's Disney.
Oh my god, it's so nice. You need to try this.
I think you're having more fun with him than I am. A Dole Whip, but to me it just looks like ice cream. It's a vanilla one, not a pineapple one, because we both don't like pineapple. Do you like pineapple? Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like pineapple, so we got this one. Got our first ever Dole Whip. Try it. No! Oh, you idiot.
Got it.
You got it. Is it just ice cream?
Tastes like Pizza Hut ice cream.
Wait, let me try.
It tastes like Pizza Hut ice cream. Doesn't it?
That's so good though. That is beautiful.
Make her see the truth about my past. Impossible, but she turned away Now don't try to kid me, man, cub. I made a deal with you. What I desire.
Come to Hollywood Studios, and it's raining this way.
Oh. Wearing a dress?
I am. I've only done my eyebrows. And I haven't finished the rest of my makeup yet. I've literally just done my eyebrows, so, and I need to sort them yet.
Wet hair?
Yeah.
The camera's shaking because I'm warm.
So we're just going on Toy Story Mania, and I'm gonna
win again.
I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna win because I won last time nearly. So my turn.
No, but I beat you.
By the way, Oliver's making an appearance. Oh, it paused me, but Oliver's making an appearance. Oliver's in the vlog.
What do you think we're gonna get?
I want Weezy. We're not gonna get Weezy.
I want Bullseye.
No, I want
But I think you can
Rex.
get Bullseye.
I want Rex.
Oh, we got Alien.
We got Alien.
No, we didn't. Oh,
Are you
yeah.
going in first?
Yeah. That's you. Oh, he's jumping in front of me. No. New one.
Shut up! Again!
Yes.
I was so close again. I was winning all the time.
So we just met Woody.
No, we didn't. We basically, because the queue is huge.
Oh, look at them backpacks.
Callum just spent $45 on 3 pens and a cup.
Why not?
It's because he saved all his money to last, so now he's just spending it willy-nilly. But anyway,
Good cup though.
So now we've just been on Toy Story Mania.
Just met Woody.
I won. Alright, I didn't win. We just met Woody. Basically the queue was huge, so we stood in front of Woody and Bo Peep and took a selfie, and it worked the same. You don't have to meet them. So yeah, we got fast passes for Rock and Roller Coaster, and then we've got Fantasmic to watch. Hopefully the weather's cleared up enough to watch
Looks
it.
like it now.
I think it looks like it. It's not lightning or anything, so they shouldn't
Look up.
cancel it.
That'll be us there.
No, don't. Can you see it? Wait. I don't think you can see it. Where is it?
There's a plane flying somewhere.
Oh, that little black dot in the sky. I'm not zooming in, but that little black dot, that's an aeroplane.
Obviously, it's not going to be a bird.
No, not Tuesday, Monday. That'll be us Monday.
Yeah.
I don't want to leave.
Right.
Oh, we haven't had a Mickey sandwich. We've been here nearly 2 weeks. And tomorrow we've got a lime Dole Whip to try, because it's the Peter Pan one. What else we got? We've got a high cone. We've got one of the up cones. And there's another one that's purple. I forgot what it is. We've got that to try as well, all tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna go over to that side of the park. We're gonna go on to
Tower.
no, Rock and Roller Coaster, and then we're gonna go and get in the good seating area for Fantasmic.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. That was horrible. I got my toffee. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get some tomorrow too, but I'm just getting some now so that we can try it tonight.
I just got loads of Toy Story stuff today. Yes, I was at makeup thing earlier.
Oh yeah, I did my eyebrows. Ah! Good. Fresh popcorn too, she just made it.
Right, hands off.
Oh, this is cute on a night. Isn't it?
Is that one that you can listen to your music?
No, that was yesterday in Universal. in the background. But yeah, goodbye.
So guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's night time now and we're just walking to Rainforest Cafe.
Even a bunch of Tylenol. Hey, Tylenol, yes, this is not an issue. I don't mean to diss you, but that's a gross issue. So check it out, you can use it by yourself. Why do you have that tissue? He's about Orlando health. They holding everything up like Ryan with this. I said, watch me. You know what time it is, yeah. And now you know that I'm the man. Hey, when I give it back to you, I gave you my long hands. You know what? Rap quick is magic, fantastic. And when I get some cracked lips, I'm reaching for some chapstick. And check it out, we're here at Disney. And this is kind of tricky. She pulled this out because I think she's trying to kiss me. You know,
we're just walking and we just saw the coolest thing ever. Like, they're doing like a rap battle, but like to the audience. So the audience have got to give like an item out. So like they give keys and like Orbit gum and stuff like that. And they have to give it to them and they'll rap about it, but they'll like be savage at the same time, like to that person. Do you know what I mean? Like, it was so good though. Yeah, I like that one. That was really good. I really like that. We were gonna stay to watch, but we need to hurry up and get the food because I am starving. So I couldn't get a reservation on the My Disney Experience app. It said that it was like booked out. So we came and it's only a 20-minute wait. So if you ever can't get a reservation, come anyway and have a look because we're getting in like 20 minutes. So I wonder what that is.
La 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 la.
So we gave in. We're buying some plushies.
I was gonna buy. Right, show them.
You couldn't guess. The big Baymax.
I was gonna buy this.
But that is not going in the case home. It's nearly as big as you.
Guess how much it is?
30. No, you don't need him. I had to get the small mic. They have a big mic over there that's like a soft one and a cuddly one. But I'm having to get the small one because it won't fit in the case with all the stuff I've bought. But we're just heading over now to Rainforest Cafe for our food. Oh, it's done So we just got our drinks. I got a strawberry lemonade. We wanted the glasses, but I don't think they have them. But yeah, I got strawberry lemonade and Callum got a Key Wester, which is strawberry and banana like smoothie. And then we're just about to order. I'm thinking of getting the flat iron steak, but you can swap your sides. So instead of veg, I'm gonna get chips, which I know comes with mash. What are you thinking of getting? Callum's deciding between the trio or which one?
What you're getting?
Or that. Yeah, but the menu's huge, literally. I don't think you can tell it's the size of like...
yeah.
It's like the size of... Yeah, that's a good example. It's so big.
We have the world spinning above us. We're in like a garden or whatever it is. Jungle.
A rainforest.
A rainforest, I should know. I like animals.
And it's called Rainforest Cafe.
We have a toucan over there. A cockatoo. A Leah.
I thought you were going to call me something else then.
Very rare. An elephant.
If you couldn't tell already, Callum likes vlogging, but he doesn't like telling anybody that he likes vlogging, so he just picks up the camera sometimes and shoots random clips.
I've took half of Leah's Instagram. It's from me just taking random photos. Then you're like, oh, I like that photo.
No.
Like,
my Instagram is more to do with Callum will like take photos of me because I'm going up to something that I'm gonna take a photo in front of, and then he takes loads beforehand. So then I like the off guard.
Oh.
It's happening.
Good timing.
Let me film. Come. This is mine, it looks amazing. And then Callum's is huge, like actually huge.
I'm a fatty.
I am so excited for this. It smells, honestly, if you could smell it, it smells so good. And of course, Callum has asked for mayonnaise. But yeah, let's eat. So the bills just came, and I guessed spot on.
76.
That's really cute. You're blocking me.
What's that thing?
Okay. No, it's okay. Anyway.
Look at mirror. Hey.
Anyway, so we've just got in. It is like 1 AM.
1 AM.
Right. I'm gonna put you there. But we've just got in. It's been a really, really long day. I can't remember. Oh, what I wanted to say. So this morning, woke up, thought, oh, I'm gonna go get my towel since we're going to Typhoon Lagoon today. I'd hung it on the balcony outside. It's not really a balcony, it's like a walkway, but everyone was using it as a balcony. So I thought, I'm gonna put my towel out there because it's wet.
Everyone else does that as well, doesn't it?
Yeah. Go to get my towel this morning, somebody has nicked it. Somebody nicked my towel. We went to, where did we go? Aquatica on Thursday. And it's Saturday, so it's been out there since Thursday, and I obviously didn't realise yesterday, but somebody's nicked it, and I don't know who would nick a towel.
So we're trying to find people.
Yeah, I don't know like who would nick a towel, but I was just like, you are joking. So today we had to use just the one towel. It was disgusting.
Why don't we bring one from hotel?
Oh yeah, what idiots. I'm freezing. The aircon's been left on, and I'm proper cold. But yeah, so I'm gonna head to bed now because I'm so tired, and it's been a really, really long day. But yeah, I really hope you did enjoy. Rainforest Cafe was amazing, and like I said, our waiter was amazing. He was so, so lovely, and there was a table next to us. Yeah, I think it was Alex. But the table next to us was celebrating a birthday, and they didn't realise, and he like sorted them out, and they got them like cake and stuff, and yeah, it was lovely.
We got a free drink.
Yeah, we got a free drink because it took too long to come to the table. It didn't, it literally took like 10 minutes, but because...
Not even that.
Yeah, like it weren't even long, were it? Yeah. But because we'd finished our food and we're still waiting for it, even though we were almost done when we ordered it, like, he literally was like, I'll get you it in a takeaway cup, don't worry, bill came, didn't charge us for it, so it was really nice. But yeah, so I'm gonna head to bed now because it's super late and we're up early tomorrow because it's our last day. Yay! Shut up, you're just as devastated. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy the vlog. Smash a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe down below if you haven't already.
I'll see you next time in my new video.
And I'll see you next time in my new... I'm not saying the same as you. And I will see you next... No!
I'll see you next week in a brand new video.
And I will see you in the next vlog. Bye!